have you see registered in so much large numbers, and yes, and that most of them have also joined already. So yeah, let us wait for 2-3 more minutes, and we will start the session. So just a few things before we start the session. So basically, this today's workshop is going to start from 9:30 a.m. and it will end at 4:30 in the evening. In between, we will have a lunch break of 1 hour. So that will be from 12:30 to 1:30. So we'll have a break, and wherever necessary, the program coordinator and today's the person who will be conducting the workshop today, he will announce breaks accordingly. And so today's workshop is basically hands-on experience. So if there are any faculty who have joined using mobile phones, I suggest you please join using your laptop, because this is in fact most of the second session, the second part of the workshop is going to mostly include hands-on, where you need to do certain tasks on your laptop. So if there is anybody who has joined using mobile phones, I request all of you to please join using your laptops with a good internet connection, so that you can follow what the program coordinator is saying, and you can do the tasks accordingly. Yes. I can see almost 100 faculties have joined now. I would just like to wait for a few more minutes before I officially start, so that faculties do not miss anything in the beginning itself. Yes. So I believe from the registrations that I see, all of the faculties belong to different GTU affiliated colleges. So yes, it is really great to see everybody from throughout Gujarat join this AI awareness session. So basically, the objective of today's session is not to become AI experts in a day, but basically a short, a first step towards becoming aware towards AI. So as we know, in today's today's era, that industries are rapidly adopting AI technologies, whether it may be AI, generative AI, agentic AI, and all the technologies that are related to AI. So just as a faculty, how we make ourselves aware of these technologies, and moving forward, how do we make students aware as well? So there could be batches of students who must have just passed out, who could be passing out in a few days. So recently, there are many industries who are considering AI as an important factor. So at least if students are aware about AI, that companies tend to hire them. So this is basically just a small awareness session, wherein we will make you aware about AI technologies. Yes, I think the faculties are still joining. If there are any faculties that you know and have registered for this session, you can just maybe drop them a text or give them a call, so that we can start immediately. So if there are any peers, colleagues among in your college who have registered and not yet joined, I request you to please drop them a message so that they're aware that the session is about to start and they don't miss anything in the beginning. Yes. So I think let us start. So a very good morning, everyone. Once again, I welcome you, a very warm welcome to all the faculty members joining us from various GTU affiliated institutes across Gujarat. So first of all, on behalf of Gujarat Technological University Skills, especially Dani Madam, Meenal Dani Madam, who helped us in organizing this today's session, I indeed give her a great appreciation for making this event happen today. And I really appreciate GTU's commitment towards becoming well advanced in technology, and these small steps that GTU is taking towards making their faculties and students ready towards industry, basically making them industry ready. So I first of all would like to thank GTU for making this event happen. And most importantly, I would sincerely would like to sincerely thank you all to take out time of your, in fact, very busy schedules. I understand as faculties, you are committed to many, I understand to many commitments. And apart from that, you have been, you're taking some of your time with your busy schedules to be part of this faculty AI readiness initiative. So indeed, it's a great pleasure for me to welcome you all in today's AI awareness initiative that Mindmatrix has taken. So I think we have like around 130 faculties already joined, and I believe there would be more faculties joining as we start the session. And it indeed reflects growing interest among you educators to understand the opportunities and implications of AI in this education. So basically, the objective of today's workshop is simple. So, like I said, we are not here to become AI experts today in one day, but our objective today will be to create awareness, provide enough practical exposure, and help faculty members understand how these emerging AI technologies are shaping education today, research, innovation, and as well as industry. Okay, so basically, we have with us Thirumal. Are you there? Yes, if you can please help me in turning the camera. Yeah, right. So we have with us Thirumal Mutalik Desai. So basically, just give me a minute. Yeah. So we have with us today Thirumal Mutalik Desai. So basically, who will be conducting today's workshop, today's entire workshop. To give you a brief introduction about Thirumal, so Thirumal has been doing this conducting workshops for maybe more than 2 years now, like 3 years now, for 3.5 years, I can say, with Mindmatrix. He has been engaging with students, with faculty members, with this objective to create awareness about AI among the students. And how is that we become industry ready? And when it comes to faculties, how we ourselves are ready, how we ourselves know about today's emerging technologies, and further with this objective, how we make students aware as well. So Thirumal has been working towards this initiative along with Mindmatrix, and we have also few key members, like we have our founder, Sujit Kumar, who will be joining us. We would start today's basically workshop. First part of the workshop, I would like Thirumal to take the session in the beginning. And then moving forward, for lunch, we will have you introduced to our founders and another key important member who is Amitabh Satyam. So I will definitely give a brief introduction about them as well. But before we introduce them, I would like to request Thirumal to first start the workshop. Take them through, take all the faculties through, certain importance of AI and how is it growing in this coming era. And with this note, we will have some walkthrough about today's workshop. And before lunch, we shall definitely have key members talk a few words about this initiative, about entire objective about this today's workshop that we have. Okay, so today's workshop is going to have certain demonstrations, discussions, and guided activities, basically to so our objective is that we hope to spark certain curiosity and encourage all the faculty members to like further explore these technologies. Okay, so before I hand it over to Thirumal, I request all the participants, if required, you can turn on your mic wherever necessary, but mostly this is going to be where Thirumal will be talking. So if required, I suggest that you can keep your selves on mute. And wherever required, you can just raise your hands and request Thirumal he will help you, and then you can turn on your mic. Okay, and if you have any questions throughout the session, you can always use the chat box. So the chat box is on. For any doubts, any discussions, or anything you would like to ask, please, I request you to please use the chat box as well. And yes, I also wherever necessary, we would indeed love your inputs as well. So wherever you think that you can add your inputs, your comments, rather than being a one-way workshop, we would love to indeed have your comments, your suggestions, and wherever you think you can contribute, you can always turn on your mic and speak. Okay, so once again, I welcome you all and thank you all once again for joining. So yes, it's over to you, Thiru.
Yes, good morning, everyone. So very good morning, everyone, and warm welcome to this workshop. Yeah. So I will be interacting. So as you all have been introduced, I am Thirumal, and I will be taking you through some of the workshops today. So I'll be engaging with you for next 1 to 1.5 hours. Okay, and even after the lunch, I will be engaging with you with one more set of hands-on workshop for around 1 to 1.5 hours. Okay, yes. So today in this in the next 1 to 1.5 hour, so we will be exploring two things. We will try to understand how AI is transforming the industry. By industry, I mean the way we work, the expectations of the industry. Okay, how AI is bringing a lot of transformation in the current field, and as educators, what is our role in this? How we can help the next generation, the students, to sustain and to build their careers in this dynamic environment. And in turn, how we as educators, as faculty members, how we can empower ourselves and grow in our career as well. So these, so one aspect I will be taking you through, and also I will be taking you through some hands-on activity where we will be exploring agent platform on Google Cloud. So exploring it, how we can build AI agents very quickly using that. So these all things we will be exploring in this next 1 to 1.5 hours. Yes. So yes. So if we are discussing about yeah, just a minute. Okay. Yeah. So you all know, AI is actually transforming the industries and the way we think, the way we work, and it has become one of the foundational skill for the future workforce. Right. So let us think of it in this way. Before thinking just AI is revolutionizing everything, let's go a step back. The world has seen industrial revolution some 50 to 60 years ago. So even then, a lot of roles were redefined. Industry got industry was transforming, and the way we work, the way we think, and so was all changing. So something similar is also happening currently with AI. That time it was just technology. This time it is the technology is nothing but AI, right? So across industries, there is no such industry which is like, not getting transformed by AI. You can take healthcare sector, education sector, you can take manufacturing sector, whichever sector, whichever aspect you take, you consider, AI is definitely transforming the way people work, and most importantly, the expectations from the from the candidates who join their organization. The expectations from the industry is changing rapidly. So it's not just about one domain knowledge; it's knowledge across the domains. And so indeed, I had a very good time interacting with the students from GTU. We had conducted recently an internship for a few hundred students from GTU, and really good interaction. Such good, enthusiastic students I met, and I was discussing the similar things with them as well. I was telling them that the knowledge, the way we, the structure, how we acquire knowledge should be like in a T structure, like surface knowledge of multiple domains, and of course we cannot ignore the core expertise in one or two domains. That is very much needed. So the T structure, you can see the horizontal bar and the vertical bar. The horizontal bar, we can think of like surface level knowledge of multiple domains, how each and every other domain is working, what is being expected, how different things are done. So that is about the horizontal bar. And vertical bar is also very, very important. Deep technical knowledge in one or two core domains, core fields is very, very important. So that's how we strengthen ourselves, and that's how we progress in this current changes, right? So expectations are changing, and there is a fear, like some people, I don't know, but there is a fear that AI is going to replace their works. AI is going to replace them basically. But let me tell you, that is not going to happen. Okay, AI is transforming how we work, and in fact creating a lot of new opportunities for us to get in. Yes, of course, if you are not adaptable, if you are not adapting to the new changes in the industry, then of course there is a small iota of risk involved over there. But those who are able to adapt, those who are able to learn quickly, transform themselves, understand what are the new expectations, how the things are moving forward, definitely a lot of new opportunities are opening for them. Yeah, that's how I want to put this. And we have to evolve along with the world of work. Yes. Yes. So yeah, we were discussing about adaptability. So we have to prepare our students for these new expectations, these new roles, that are emerging. So what it majorly seeks, what the current industry majorly seeks, is basically the employers, if you simplify it, adaptability and digital fluency. Candidates, students who can learn new things quickly, because many new things are coming up, and every day new tool. The way we use the tool yesterday, the tool is getting updated in just very few days, right? So the way to adapt to the fast changes that is happening in the industry, and of course digital fluency. With the digital fluency, I want to add one more thing over here: AI fluency. They should be comfortable, not just know, they should be comfortable working along with AI tools. Because whichever industry you see, whichever tool they might be using so far, there is an AI integration in that tool right now, right? So the students, the candidates who are willing to join the particular industry has to think about, has to be aware So how to use that tool with AI integration? How to leverage AI tools to increase productivity? Okay, these all things the students need to think, and it's now our responsibility to train them in that right direction. And of course, along with the AI fluency, adaptability, one more thing is that critical thinking and problem solving. Of course, AI can so AI can code for you. AI can write many things for you. AI can design things for you, but it's us, the candidates, the students, or the what you call as human beings, are the one who is actually giving it a proper thought. They have to understand the pattern. They have to guide the AI tool to do the things rightly, and they should be able to evaluate whatever output is generated through the AI tools. Right? They should understand the problem. They should internalize the problem first, and then if they give a proper prompt, a proper kind of commands to the AI tool, then only it will be able to solve the problem in that particular context. So more emphasis on critical thinking, problem solving ability, understanding ability, yeah, and then good communication. By here communication, I mean communicating with AI tools. That has to be efficient, that has to be effective, right? And also they should be having some practical exposure in using these tools, in how understanding how the agents are built, understanding how a simple chatbot, now it is called as an agent, how those things are built, how to develop an app with the power of AI, how to leverage AI to accelerate app building, or to perform data analysis, or to derive insights from the dashboard and give some valuable insights to the business. How you can leverage AI tools in all these areas and grow competent in this current current scenario, right? Yes. Yeah, and now the students are in the right place. They are with you. They are with us, where we can play a very key important role in preparing them for this future. Yeah. It's rightly, we act as catalyst for this change, right? So one thing we have to remember: AI amplifies what we do; it doesn't replace. Yeah. Even us guys, even the educators, yeah, along with guiding students across different tools and skills, we can also enhance, give better experience, learning experience to the students by leveraging these so the cutting edge AI tools at our disposal. It can be in our research. There are many tools which will help us in conducting research faster, like paper summarization. So understanding the gist of so if you have to read out multiple research papers and come out with with our own thesis, then before understanding which papers are important, and getting deep into that, there are multiple tools which will you just upload your papers over there, yeah, and it will give you, and you can chat with that tool and get insights about all the papers that you uploaded. You can get a summary of all those things, get an analysis of all those things, and then you can make a informed decision about which direction to move forward. Of course, there is no substitution for studying, for hard work. There is no substitution for this, but in definitely it will give us AI tools will give us a proper direction in which we have to proceed further, right? Yeah. So with these things in mind, without taking much of your time, let us it's very important to also do what you learn, correct? It's like do and learn, right? It's seeing is experiencing is more beneficial than just hearing the things. Okay, so let's explore one of the AI tools today, okay, and try to understand how quickly even you can build an AI agent, and what all steps it takes to build such an agent. So one such tool we will explore now, and wonderfully so to help us. So now you might have a question. So we don't have exposure to such platforms. How do we do? They are very. They might be complicated. They might be charging us some money to explore them, and we don't have programming exposure. So we may not be comfortable, or we may not be able to perform tasks over here. So let's take out all such thoughts from our head. So for our benefit, there are certain hands-on labs which will guide us through using these tools. It's like you can compare them. So when a baby is taking its first steps, it's usually provided with a walker. So we can think of these labs and these workshops as such helping aids, which will make us comfortable with these things. And then after we are comfortable, sky's the limit, right? So let's explore one of the tool now. I will stop sharing this screen, and just give me a minute. I will shift the screen to a different view. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll share a link with you. In the meeting chat, I'm sharing the link with you. Yeah. I hope you're able to see this link posted over here. If you can quickly show me thumbs up if you're able to see that link. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So yeah, even I'll open that link. I'll just stop sharing the present screen. I will shift to just give me a minute. Yeah. So once you click on the link, you will be coming to a platform known as skills.google. Yeah, skills.google. Yeah, hope you're able to see this page after clicking the link. Yes, you can just let me know by writing in the chat box, or just responding with a quick thumbs up. Hope everybody is able to see this page, right? Thank you so much. Thank you. So here we have two options: sign in and join. Since we are coming here for the first time, let's click on join. Yeah. Yeah, if this screen appears, then just we will have to follow these steps. It might appear, or in some cases, or it might not appear. So just I'm scanning this QR code over here, which is coming up on the screen. It may just verify your device. Yeah. So this is a new way of CAPTCHA even I am seeing for the first time. Earlier it was just used to be like some puzzles or some identify traffic lights or identify the stairs, such like that. Now this is even the new thing which I'm seeing. So one day you see something different, and next day you visit the same platform, it will be something new. So we can see that's how fast the things are changing. So let's continue with Google. Yeah. So after continuing it, so I might be having some problem with this email ID. So after continuing with Google, you might have to enter your date of birth. You might have to enter your date of birth. Yeah. Just, yeah. Just enter your date of birth and agree to certain terms and conditions. Then you will be redirected to the same page where it shows your profile like this. I'll just open that page. Yes. You will be on a similar page with your profile, icon looking like this on the top right corner. Once you fill the details and you're on this similar page, wherein you can see your your profile at the top right corner, just let me know. Okay, and yes. And if you see any different pop-ups, also let me know, please. The experience might be different for different people. Also, you might get a pop-up which says like join GEAR, GEAR. Yeah. So if you are seeing that option like join GEAR, then please do join. Yeah. Please do join. If it is asking for you to join GEAR, generative AI enterprise, yeah. Join the program GEAR, GEAR program. Is some of you able to see such pop-up on your screen? Please do join. You may have to just enter some of your details so experience in years, and then you are an educator or some roles has been given, and then location. You might select the city you're living in currently. Just select from the options. So just start typing. Say suppose you all are from Rajkot or Ahmedabad. Just start typing the city name. So once it appears in the drop down, just select that. Okay. Yes, just select that, and then it will be like educator, or with different roles you can select. You can select educator. Then add, it will be your college name, and then you can click on submit. Just a minute, I just have taken some screenshots of the same. You might be seeing first screen like this. Start learning at no cost with GEAR. You click on join. Soon after you click on join, it might ask you to additional access to your Google account, and then just say continue. Yeah. And then most importantly, I was talking about this. Yeah. Gemini Enterprise Agent Ready. Right. This form you have to fill. Yeah. Hope you're able to see the screen over here. Is the screen visible? Yeah. Okay. Yes. I will take you through the steps once again. So soon after clicking, I'll come from the first step. So confirm one thing. Have you all received the link in the chat? Has everyone received the link in the chat? Yes. So upon clicking the link, you will be seeing a page similar to this. Yes. This is nothing but skills.google platform. So this is nothing but skills.google platform. You'll be seeing this page. And once you click on join, you will be seeing a form to enter your date of birth. And also may ask you to sign in to your Google profile or something, which email you want to choose. Okay. It may ask you to choose an email and continue. And then maybe it asks for your date of birth as well. Okay. Once you enter those things and click submit, you might be seeing this pop-up. Start learning at no cost with Gear. Yes. When the pop-up appears, please click join. When the pop-up appears, please click join. Hope everybody is able to follow, right? If there is anyone who is facing any issues, please let me know in the chat. I'll try to help you. Shall we proceed further from here? Recaptcha field. Yes, reCAPTCHA will appear. reCAPTCHA will appear. Just sometimes it might be asking you to select street lights or select streets or something. But sometimes it just shows you a QR code. Just complete that step once. Okay. Don't close it or don't skip it. Complete that step once. Failing every time. Okay. So what message are you seeing on the reCAPTCHA field? Just a minute. Let me go back to the meeting. Let me read the message. Just a minute. Okay. Yes. Sometimes, the reCAPTCHA is just like you can think of reCAPTCHA as so whenever we try to log into IRCTC or some other sites, right? It asks us to enter certain code. This you can refresh and try scanning again. Don't worry, even if you are not not eligible for Gear message up here, don't worry. There is I will suggest you what to do. Okay, but if the Gear is appearing, make sure to click on join. By mistake, if you have crossed it or closed it, don't worry. I will suggest you what to do very shortly. Yeah, if you have got the dashboard, that means you have already. Yeah, if you have got the dashboard, then you have completed the steps. Okay, just be on the dashboard. I will guide you what to do next. Yeah. Yes. Shape yourself. Shape your future self. I'm getting this screen. Yeah. So is it after after joining the Gear, sir, or just soon after clicking the link? Dhiren, sir? Yes. So let me just summarize the points, steps shortly. So first, as a first step, we clicked on the link. Yeah, we clicked on the link, and we came to a page which is similar to this. Yeah, build AI skills for tomorrow, or some information over here, and which asks to sign in and join. This page appears at the very first go. It's soon after this, you might be able to, after clicking on join and after entering your date of birth and some other details, this pop-up may appear. Okay, when this pop-up appears, click on join and enter certain details. Yeah, enter your details such as experience, city, and I've selected I'm an educator at Mindmatrix. You can select your educator at at your college name, and then click on submit towards the end. Yeah, then you will be again one more pop-up appears which says you got 35 learning credits for being a Gear member. Just click on start learning, and you will see the dashboard. Yeah, even shape your future self, that is also fine. Yeah. Either your dashboard or either your learning page. Okay, both are fine. Sometimes it may redirect to the dashboard directly. Sometimes it may redirect to this page where where it is currently saying shape your future self. Here's where you explore multiple paths, labs, and you can get access to them. Okay. If you have closed it by mistake, also I have an solution for that. Don't worry. So I will take you through that. I will take you through that. Yeah. So until now, is it clear? Is it clear until now? If you have closed it by mistake, don't worry. I will. So I will assist you over there. I will assist you. Okay. So now, if you have closed it by mistake, or if the pop-up has not appeared for you, if the pop-up has not appeared for you, just can I get a count of people how many have closed that pop-up, or have not got that joining gear pop-up? Can show me thumbs up or raise your hands. Okay. Yeah. So just in your left panel, where you can see dashboard, catalog, collections, there is something called as subscriptions over here, right? You're able to locate that. You're able to locate subscriptions. Where you can respond through showing me quick thumbs up so that I get an idea. You're able to see subscriptions in the left panel. Wonderful. So let's just click on the subscriptions over here. And you can see that there are three options, right? First one is of no cost, right? Yeah. You can just check if it is. So if it says manage subscription and learn more, then you already have 35 free credits, okay, which will replenish every month. Okay. But if you're able to see subscribe or start or learn something, then click on that. If there is something like blue button like this, then please click on that. If it says like what it is showing on my screen, like manage subscription and learn more, then you don't have to do anything. Is it clear? Any questions or any doubts until now? So until now, we just so set up our skills.google account, and we just got access to the credits which will help us in doing the lab. Yes. Any doubts so far? Shall we proceed further from here? Yes. Thank you. So yes. Yes, Mehta sir. Right. You have to click on select button on no cost segment. Yeah. Either select, it might be select or start trial, or start learning, some message like that. Click on that blue button. Yeah. And it may ask you to fill the form again, like your experience, your location, such things. It may ask you to fill again. Do fill that. If it asks, do fill that, and you will be getting 35 credits. Okay. Yes. Is there anyone who is left behind or facing any issue in these aspects? I will wait for your questions before moving forward. So shall we all move forward? You can just give me a quick thumbs up to move forward, and we'll proceed further. Yes. Sure, Jainik sir. So Jainik sir, just a minute. Let me take you through. So currently, may I know like at which step you're stuck, sir? Place, location, right? So location, right? Just let me open the image. You just confirm whether this is the page you're stuck, sir. Just a minute. Yeah. This, right? City and town, right, sir? You can just show me thumbs up if it is right. Experience and city town, right, sir? Yeah. So just select, just start typing the name of the city or town you're residing now, sir, and just select the one from the drop down, sir. Once you start typing, sir, the drop down appears. Just select one option from the drop down. You're able to move forward from that step, sir. Ankita, ma'am. Okay, showing 35 learning credits. Yes, ma'am. Showing, yes, just a second. Showing 35 learning credits. You just have to, yeah, start learning, ma'am. I think this is the screen you're referring to, right? You got 35 learning credits. Start learning, ma'am. Start learning. Yes. Yes, yes, ma'am. Just so that's all for now. I'll take I'll just understand whether we all are on the same page, and I'll move forward, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Dashboard is also fine. Yeah. Select start learning and be on the page, ma'am. I will take you through the next steps. Yes, yes, sir. You can select educator, sir. Select educator and add your college name, sir. Yes. City, town, educator. Add your college name, sir. Just scroll down and you can just click the blue button towards the end, submit button. And soon after that, you will be able to see you got 35 learning credits for being a GAIR member. Then just you have to click on start learning over here, sir. Yes, ma'am, right. Shape your future self. That is also right, ma'am. No worries. Some people may be redirected to dashboard. Some people to just the paths, the path exploration page. Both are fine. Both are fine. Okay, you're saying error failed message. Okay. No worries, sir. No worries. It might be due to also multiple factors as well. Don't so no worries. Just what we will do, just you can so participate and see through the further steps, sir. And now you know the steps, right, sir? Now you can afterwards, after the session, or or again afternoon we are meeting. So during the break time or after this, you can just try with a different email, and you can you may get an option, sir. Yes. Now let's move forward from here. Yes. Hope the screen is visible, everyone. You may be in this page, right? Some of them may be in just a minute. Yeah. Some of them may be in shape your future self page, or some of them may be on the dashboard. Both are fine. Both are fine. Just before proceeding further, if you are sure that the pop-up appeared and you got 35 learning credits and you clicked on start learning, you don't have to do anything. But suppose if you are not sure about that, you're not sure whether you got the credits or no, then one way to check is just go to subscriptions and you can check over here in the first column which says no cost, which is a starter pack, which says no cost. It should be appearing as manage subscription and learn more. If this is appearing over here under the no cost column, that means you already have the credits required to do the labs. Yes. Can you just confirm that everybody has reached this step and everybody has got these credits to move forward? Yes. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now, yeah, you can, yeah, okay. You can click on paths. From here, we are clicking on paths. And now all of us are on the page which says shape your future self. Am I right? All of you are on the page which says shape your future self. Right? So here, the lab which we are going to do today, okay, I'll just type the name over here. I request everyone to follow along with me. And whenever so there is any issue or if I'm going too very fast and all, just let me know. I will repeat and I will slow down. Okay. So here let us type Agent Studio. Simple term, Agent Studio. Agent Studio. Yes. We searched, just type Agent Studio and click on that. Yes. You can see the labs associated with Agent Studio, right? Just give me thumbs up when you are able to locate the lab which names as Get Started with Agent Studio. As soon as you are able to see this lab, just give me a quick thumbs up. This is the lab we are going to do today. Get Started with Agent Studio. Yes. Let's open that lab. Get Started with Agent Studio. Yeah. ID is GP1154, JSP1154. The title is Get Started with Agent Studio. Yeah. Yes, sure. Sure. So, after confirming that we all have got 35 credits, what we did, we came to paths. We came to path. In the left panel, you can see multiple options, right? The dashboard, catalog, path, collections, subscriptions, organizations, and all, right? Just click on paths. Okay. And you can see the search option at the top of your screen. Am I right? Yes. In this search option, we are just typing Agent Studio. Agent Studio. Agent Studio. And it says like, just click on enter. After typing Agent Studio, either you can click on the drop down from here, or you can click on just click enter. Yes. Is it clear? And until here, it's clear for everyone. So soon after searching Agent Studio, just give me a thumbs up if you are able to see this lab, which titles as Get Started with Agent Studio. Are you able to see this lab titled Get Started with Agent Studio? Yeah. Just click on this. Just click on this lab. Yeah. So is everybody on the same page? Are you all on same page with me? Are you able to see the lab which says Get Started with Agent Studio? Which says over here 1 credit, 50 minutes, introductory, right? And the start option over here, right? So this is one of the hands-on labs which we will be doing today. Yes. Let me tell you certain aspects before we start the lab. Okay. From here, those who got the 35 learning credits will be able to proceed further. Those who got 35 learning credits will be able to proceed further, because this lab takes 1 credit from your it costs 1 credit. Okay. Yes. I hope everybody were able to get 35 learning credits, right? Except I think Jainik Patel sir. Yes. So once we start on the so once we click on start the lab, the timer starts. Raviraj sir, Raviraj Solanki sir, so you have got the credits, right? Yes. So Kashyap Gauri sir, so what? So may I know what you are able to see on your screen, sir? Hope you are able to reach the lab, sir. Reach to lab. Okay. Sir, did you get the learning credit, sir? Yes. And may I know, instead of start option, what other option is visible for you, sir? Yes. Once you reach to the lab, once you click on the lab, sir, hope you are able to see this page, sir. Yes, sir. So this page which I am showing right now, is this page visible for you, sir? Is this page visible for you, sir? Yeah. Yes. So let me tell you once. So what happens once you start the lab? Once you click on Start Lab, okay. Urvi ma'am, so can you help me understand yes.
Very good morning, sir. I already
Can you help
entered
me
the
understand
Google
what option you're able to see or what page you're on? Or just confirm, ma'am. Are you on the same page, ma'am?
Yes,
Urvi
sir. I
ma'am
am on the
and
same.
Kashyap sir.
Yes, sir. I am on the same page. I
Are you on the
click on
same page
capture. Yes, 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 sir.
as I am now? Can you read the same name on your page, like Get Started with Agent Studio?
No, sir.
Are
I am
you
not
on the
able to
same
get
lab?
it. In Agent
You can
Studio,
show me thumbs up if you're on the same lab, ma'am. And Kashyap sir.
sir, in Agent Studio, I have 3 results. Get started with Agent Studio in 50 minutes. It's shown to me. Can I have to click that?
Ma'am,
Hello.
hope my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for you.
Yes, sir.
Kashyap sir.
Yes, sir. Now I'm with your same page. Yes, yes, yes.
Hope
Sir.
this
I
is
got
the
it.
page you're seeing, sir. The Get Started with Agent Studio.
Yes, sir, I got it. But that start button, I'm not able to do anything.
Yes. Ma'am, are you trying to speak, ma'am? Please let me know.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
My question is that I
Mhm.
got on screen that is GSP 1154, but I cannot click on start button. So what I should do, sir?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. So, ma'am, so is the start button visible for you or
Yes, yes, yes. I
visible?
can see that. Yes, sir.
Yes. So upon clicking the button, what is the message you're so getting, ma'am? upon clicking the button?
Sir, the lab may incorporate AI tool to support your learning. They wrote like this. I cannot click on start. It is like nothing appears, sir. Nothing appear if I click start button, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Start button is up, is on your screen. Okay, I'm
Yes.
not gone to that step yet, ma'am. So once you click on the start button, you should be able to see that the end option so appearing on top of it. And one more thing, if you don't if you have don't have the credits or accessing the lab for the very first time, I have not come to that step yet, ma'am. But you should be able to see use one credit and start learning. That option you are supposed to see, ma'am.
Sir, such thing is not available. So how can I do that, sir? I got only this much option. 1 credit, 50-minute introductory, update 2 days ago, and then ID. It is only
Correct.
visual.
Okay,
Yes,
the
sir.
start button itself is not visible for you.
No, start button is there, but if I click it, it won't. That means it remain the same.
Okay. So, ma'am, so can you share your screen so that I can help you quickly?
How I will? Just a sec. I will do that. Just a sec.
Yes, ma'am. Just share your screen, ma'am. The current tab.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure,
I do
sure.
that. I do.
Sure. Yes, correct. So correct, sir.
So hope you can see my
Current-
screen.
Yes, just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute. Yes, yeah, ma'am. I'm able to see your screen, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
you're
sir.
not signed in. On the top, ma'am, just
Mm.
click on join or sign in, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
will-
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Join, ma'am. Yes, join or sign in.
Yes, sir. I do that. I do.
Sure. Yeah. Yes. I think Piyush sir, just make sure that you're signed in or have joined the skills.google platform. Yes. Yes, Raviraj sir. Yes.
Okay, sir. Now I will get it. Yes, sir. I get it.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, so Raviraj sir, when you got yes, just click on that option, sir. Launch with 1 credit. Click on that option. Yes. Therefore, there are 2 options with token and with credit. So currently so since we have all got the 35 learning credits, we'll proceed with that. Launch with 1 credit. Yes. But before starting, yeah, okay. If you've started, no worries. But so just I wanted to tell you some things before we start the lab. Yeah. So what would happen once you start the lab is, yeah. So yes. Hope I'm audible to all of you clearly. So before starting the lab, there are some things which we have to understand. So already started, don't worry, don't end. Okay. Just be there. Okay. So once we hope the screen, okay, just let me share the screen. Share the entire screen. Hope it's visible now. The screen is visible now. Just confirm with thumbs up if it's visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So upon clicking the start button, what would happen is on Google Cloud Console, a temporary environment will be created for us. Okay. And you can see the timer over here, right? 50 minutes. So once you click the start button on Google Cloud Console, just for one-time use, a temporary environment will be created for us. Okay, with our project and with all the configurations required to do this lab, the temporary environment will be created. And that temporary environment will be valid only for the duration of the lab. Only for the duration of the lab. Okay, and as this lab costs us 1 credit, once we start the lab, we have to make sure to end the lab as well. In the sense that we have to complete all the steps and end it accordingly. If we leave it abruptly in between, or just end it soon after we started the lab, the credits are not redeemable. Or once you start the lab, one credit is lost. Okay, one credit is lost. If you want to take the lab again after completing one time, say suppose you wanted to deep dive and understand the steps once again and do it the right thing, again you may have to spend one credit to do the lab. Okay, there are some labs which are like of no cost. Okay, very introductory, simple, no cost labs that you can do multiple times. Okay, but we have to be careful with the labs which have credits associated with it. Okay, just give me a minute over here. So in this next 50 minutes, we will be exploring this lab. So once you click on start button, yeah, a pop-up may appear for some people asking you to launch with 1 credit or launch with token. Say launch with credit. Okay, say launch with credit. And you can see a right panel open over here. Yeah, it says lab setup and access. Okay, username, password, project ID, all the things have been given. And it is recommended to open the click on this button through the private browser or incognito mode. It's because it is creating a temporary one-time environment, which is active only throughout the lab duration, right? So in order not to interfere with our current Google Cloud account and mess up things, it's always so advisable to open this in incognito mode. Okay, so you can see, all of you can see the button over here, open Google Cloud Console, right? Give me a quick thumbs up if you're able to see this button. Don't directly open it. Just right click on it. Just right click on it and select open link in incognito window or open in private browser. Okay, just select this option and make sure to open it in incognito window. Is it clear until now? You can see I have opened incognito window on my towards the left of my screen, and towards the right I have the lab resources. Okay, yes, I opened an incognito window and just see, you can see over here. Yeah, welcome to your new account, student. So it's you can see here. So this is my temporarily created account through the lab resource, right? Student one, some code, and at quicklabs.net, right? It is just one time account. Okay. Now for some users, what may happen? Once you click on open in incognito window, it may ask you to enter your email and password. Don't enter your personal email and password. Copy the username and password from here. You can see the screen over here, right? Username for this particular lab has been given over here. Use this username and use the password given over here. There is quick copy option also. Yeah, just click on this copy button, copy the username, paste it in the place of email, and copy the password, place it in the place of password. For some users, directly it will take from the lab, and directly it may ask you to so click on the terms and conditions, right? Any issues so far? All of you are able to see this screen. Welcome to your new account. Yeah. Let's click on I understand and move forward. If pop-up appears to asking you to enter your email address and password, please enter the username given over here, given in the lab. Don't enter your personal email address. Don't enter your personal password. Okay. Copy the username and the password from the lab resources. Okay. Just you have to click on I agree to the Google Cloud Platform terms of service and agree and continue. Okay. Hope you are able to follow until here. Any doubts so far? Just right click, Jayant sir. Just click on the right click on this blue button over here. You can see the right hand of my screen, right side of my screen, right segment over here, which says Open Google Cloud Console, right? Just right click on it, and you will get multiple options. Open link in new tab, new window, or open link in incognito window. Just set open link in incognito window. Or suppose this option doesn't appear, then you may have to copy this link address, open a separate incognito window, and then enter the link over there. That is a workaround if this option is not visible. Piyush Prajapati sir. Yeah, lab token you may not have to enter. You just click on launch with credit, sir.
Yes, sir. It's compulsory required.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Khushbu ma'am, not found this new email ID. Okay, just a minute, ma'am. It will be on this right panel, ma'am, or otherwise it will be like this G symbol you are able to see in the lab, ma'am. Once you start the lab, you will be able to see this G symbol, right? You just have to click on this G symbol and the panel appears, where username itself is your new email ID and password. Yeah. Until now, is it clear for everyone? Shall we proceed further from here? Just give me quick thumbs up so I can proceed further. Yeah. Okay. So now you can see over here so this is the Google Cloud Console page. I'll just maximize and show you these things. So this is the Google Cloud Console where you can see a project has been created for you already. A project has already been created for you, and all necessary configurations have been set up, right? So everybody able to see this page? Wonderful, wonderful. Yes. Now let me just minimize this setup access, lab setup access. Let me go step by step. So yes, step one, task. Let's move to the task one. Initial things we have done already. So task one is create applications from prompts. Create applications from prompts. So one thing which we will be following is we will understand what to do from the lab steps, and we will be executing that in the Google Cloud Console. So my left window is Google Cloud Console. My right window is the lab. Okay, I'll be seeing the steps from here and doing it over the Google Cloud Console. Okay, so you can see this button over here, 3 horizontal bars towards the top left corner of your Google Cloud Console. Yes, this is called as navigation menu. This is called as navigation menu. And once we click on this, you can see multiple products available on the Google Cloud platform. Yeah, but our interest currently is on agent platform. Our interest currently is on agent platform. Yeah, I'll repeat the steps before clicking. Again, all of you are able to locate the navigation menu, the 3 horizontal bars on the top left corner of your screen, Google Cloud Console screen, right? Let us click on that and just scroll down and locate agent platform. We'll not click on anything. We are just locating agent platform for now. Yeah. And once you hover your cursor on agent platform, you can see multiple sub options like overview, studio, and all that, right? So we are clicking on studio. We are clicking on studio. Yes. Any confusions so far? Any confusions so far? So this is your agent studio where you can build app, generate media, and you can build agents. Okay. And you can deploy the agents also through this platform. You can deploy the agents as well. Okay, so let us explore step by step from the lab which is given to us. Okay. Agent platform, what we are going to do, new chat, plus sign, new chat. Yeah. What we did, we just, yeah, new chat we opened, right? I'm keeping this my screen over here so that I can see your reactions. Hope you are able to follow along with me. Are you able to click on new chat and see the similar interface? Yes. So this is where we can build our own agent. This is where we can build our own agent. So you can see multiple things over here. Let me take you one by one. Yeah. In the left panel, you can see agents, app builder, generate media. Let's not go over there currently. Let us stay in this interface. You can see this empty space over here, where below you can see a type a prompt to see what our models can do, right? Yeah. And on the right hand side, you can see untitled prompt, preview, get a code for that, deploy, options and all that, right? And model settings, system instructions, all those things you are able to see over here, right? In model settings, you can see which model thinking level you can choose, and grounding grounding tool you can choose. You can turn on code execution, but for this lab, code execution is not enabled. Temperature, output token limit, all these things you can configure from here without any code, right? And without any code, we will be exploring how to build this agent now, right? Yeah. So, yeah. So you can see the one important thing over here is the system instructions. So yes, so in any agent or a chatbot, there are certain instructions before training it with data, and before uh, training it with multiple example inputs and outputs. It's very important to set up the system instructions. System instructions are the guardrails under which the agent will perform. Say suppose you can you have to you can define the character of the agent so how the agent should respond, how the agent was, what kind of language the agent should use. Even though in English, so should it use like a friendly language or a professional tone? You can set up a character to it. You can set up a character to it. You can set up in which tone it has to speak, right? And you can set certain rules, like deny answering certain questions, and define the context. This is the context. Okay. And only under that context you define the things now. And if the questions are coming from the user out of the context, then don't answer. Okay. And such all kind of instructions can be given in system instructions, and the agent will behave exactly like that. Okay. Yes. And after so setting up the system instructions, we can select multiple models which model, like, any different model has its own plus and minuses. Okay, do you want to use 3.5 flash, 3.1 flashlight? Okay, yeah. And if you want to use any, like, third party models, you can use that as well. Agent platform also supports that. Okay, you can select the model. Okay, and thinking level you can set low, high, medium. You can set that, and multiple configurations you will be able to do over here. And once built, you can get a code for it and integrate into your existing app or deploy directly from over here. Okay, yes. Yes, model settings, prompt, you can see all those things, right? Now, currently for this lab setting, yeah, currently for this, so we are doing it for the first time and understanding how the, the system works and all that. Let us follow through the instructions of the lab. Okay, and once we are comfortable using the platform and everything, then once we give, so we are able to give our own thoughts, we can come back and start the lab again and, give our own system instructions, give our own configurations, and build our own agent, right? Any questions until now? Is it okay to move forward from here? Yes. So we can see a system instruction given over here. Like, so they are setting a context. They are giving it a proper character, right? You are an expert AI assistant for an insurance underwriting department. So its role has been set clearly. Okay, and your primary goal is to help underwriters by accurately and concisely summarizing client information and highlighting potential risk factors. Okay, this is the goal of the agent. Okay, and what tone it should maintain? Maintain a professional and objective tone, and focus only on the information provided in the prompt. Do not invent details. Okay, this has been clearly, because it's a generative AI, right? It can generate details. It can generate anything and give anything. So this guidance will restrict the agent, the model, to answer only in this context. Okay, so let's copy this system instruction and paste them over here. Yeah. Yes, are you all able to do that? And now in the main prompt area, we'll give a prompt. Like, in the prompt, we are giving, the customer details and all that. And according to the customer details, or, the notes taken from the underwriter while interacting with the customer, okay, those notes we are giving as a prompt. Okay, and based on those notes, based on those details, what it will do, it will help the underwriter, okay, by summarizing the client information and highlighting potential risk factors. Okay, yes. Yes, your task where, so this is how we gave a very detailed prompt over here. Customer notes for, say, suppose we are considering the business as, like, the name Safe Harbor Warehousing, and the applicant is seeking coverage of their 50,000 square feet warehouse. Business is 5 years old. All details about the business and security measures, everything have been mentioned, and task is defined clearly over here, right? Yes. Are you able to follow along? Any confusions so far? Yeah. And they are setting the model settings. Like, Gemini, we are using Gemini 2.5 Flash. Model Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay. And region global. Okay. Go to model settings. We're selecting model 2.5 Flash. Go to Gemini. Let's not use the latest ones. Let's go to click on, so below Gemini, below latest, there is an option called as Gemini. From there, we are selecting Gemini 2.5 Flash. And region already set to global. We don't have to change anything. Is it clear? Are you all able to find model settings over here? And are you all able to change it to Gemini 2.5 Flash? Yes. If any questions, please let me know. Yes. Yes, Nehal ma'am. Vinay sir, just a minute. You can just, yeah, 1 minute. I will show you. I will show you. Yeah. Let me come back from. So you can see under model settings, are you all able to, see model settings over here? Yeah. You can show me thumbs up if yes. Yes. Just click on the drop down. And we will be first on the latest option, right? Yeah. Don't just see the latest options. The next to latest, there is Gemini. I hope you're all able to see the Gemini option over here, right? Just below the latest. Yes. Just click on that, Ankita ma'am and Vinay sir. And just scroll down, scroll down. Once you select Gemini and scroll down, after all 3 Pro, 2.5 Flash, Lite, everything, after Nano Banana, you can see Gemini 2.5 Flash. Hope you are able to see now, Ankita ma'am and Vinay sir. Snehal ma'am, you're able to get that now, right? Yes. Select Gemini 2.5 Flash and just scroll down. You can see region, set it to global. Region, set it to global. Other things you can leave them as it is for now. Yeah. Yes, any confusions over here? I hope you're able to follow now, Ankita ma'am, Snehal ma'am and Vinay sir. Yeah. You can always expand and close it up. Yes, Gemini 2.5 Flash. Until now, are the steps clear for everyone? Yeah. The next step is submit the prompt. Let us submit the prompt or click enter. See, it gave you the complete details about the safe harbor. See, firstly, the summary of safe harbor warehousing client information. Yeah. And underwriter questions or potential risk factors, it listed down. Yeah. And this was the task given to it. It did its task clearly. Yes, Ankita ma'am, the region global. Region global. Yes. Yes. System instruction, we are we are using for now the default given by the lab over here, ma'am. System instructions, and when you just scroll up, you can find in the fourth, you can find the system instructions over here. For time being, we have used the default system instruction given over here. Just you have to copy, ma'am. There is a copy option over here. Just you have to copy, and we are using the default things for now to understand how the things work. Yes, system instruction and prompt. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Just go a little bit above in the lab steps, ma'am. In the fourth item, just if you go a little bit above in the lab instructions, in the fourth item, you can see the system instruction. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ankita Prajapati, ma'am? No. Just add, we are adding system instructions, and we are giving the default prompt for now, trying to understand how the things work over here. Now, one thing which we have to focus here, it may have seemed to you like just using the Gemini tool, but what additionally we did here, we chose which model to use, right? And we gave proper system instructions, and we had the option to configure certain model parameters. Okay, and next thing is we can train it further and we can deploy it from here directly. We can deploy it from here. Okay. Yes. Yes. Prompt, sir. Yes. Yeah. I think Snehal ma'am, Shubham sir, just if you scroll towards the top, just a little bit, towards the top of the lab instruction, not very much, just slowly scroll to the top, towards before. Now currently we might be in we change the model settings and all that. Just go. So this is model settings is 6th point here, right? Yeah. Just to go 2 steps above. 2 steps above. You'll see the 5th item, and then just above that 4th item. Are you able to find that now, sir? Shubham, sir? Yes. So this is the system instruction we are using now, and just below that there is a prompt. In the 5th item, in the main prompt area, paste the following. We're just using the default prompt for now. Yeah. Yes. Any issues or confusions until now? So once you have submitted the thing, we have to save the prompt. Yeah. We have to save the prompt. Yes, ma'am. Submit. Submit. Just submit in the sense, just arrow mark towards your where you enter the prompt. You entered the prompt over here. You can see the screen over here, right? Just the arrow mark, or just press enter. Were you able to do, ma'am? Just enter the prompt, and you can see the arrow mark button over here, just like WhatsApp, and arrow mark paper plane symbol, arrow mark button. Arrow mark button, you can click on that. Mehta sir, can you help me understand what different things are you seeing on your screen, sir, so that I can understand and help you accordingly, sir? Yes, Nikita ma'am. Yeah, in the lab instructions, are you able to locate this 4th item, ma'am, Nikita ma'am? Yes, just below they have given the system instruction, default instructions. You may just have to copy. There is a copy option available over there, ma'am. Just copy that, and we are pasting the same. Yeah. Nand Mehta, sir. Let me know, sir, if any assistance is required. Okay. Now, it's time to save the prompt, right? It's time to save the prompt. Ma'am, Ankita ma'am, just select the model settings as Gemini 2.5 Flash. Just there will be like latest, and then below latest there will be Gemini option. Just click on that Gemini option, and if you scroll down, you can see all the Gemini models. Just select that. If 2.5 Flash is selected, that's all. That's all. Are you able to see some error messages, ma'am? If no error messages, then you are not stuck. Don't worry. Let me know if some error message comes up while submitting. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now, you can see the save option here, right? The file save option. You can see the save option just beside untitled prompt. You can see the save option. Just click on the save option. Yeah, let it be untitled prompt. And just click save. Saving might take, just 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, just click on save and wait for few seconds. Saving will take some time, sir. Saving, as you can see on my screen as well, it will take a little bit more time than expected. Just beside Ankita ma'am, just beside the untitled prompt, you can see the loading symbol on my screen, right? Just there will be a file symbol, a standard save icon. Just click on that, ma'am, and this pop-up appears, and just click on save. This will take around at least 1 or 2 minutes to save. The message can come. The saving is taking longer than usual. It also says that this is expected when saving the prompt for the first time in the different region. Yes, sure, sir. I think Vinay, sir, you can share your screen. Yeah. And Jayant, sir, if the issue is not resolved, soon after Vinay, sir, you can share the screen, sir. Okay. On clicking message, okay. On clicking save, sir. On clicking save, where are you able to see this activate full account, sir? Vinay, sir, are you sharing screen? Just let me know. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see prompts are now being uploaded.
I'm getting this on the
Yes,
screen.
sorry, sir.
I'm getting this on the screen. I have shared my screen right now. I think.
Just a minute. I'll just have a look at it. Just a minute, sir. Please stop sharing my screen. Just a minute.
Are you able to see my
Okay.
screen, sir?
Yes, I'm able to see your screen now, sir.
And now,
Okay,
what
just
should I
close
do?
that. Just close that, sir. Just close that, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in the system instructions, okay, you're stuck in setting the model settings, sir.
Yes.
Yes, just click on the model, sir. Drop down. No, sir, not there. Yes, model drop down, or in the right panel, sir. In the right panel, model settings just below that. Yes, right, sir. Right. Sir.
Gemini
Just select
2.5.
Gemini, sir. Just scroll down, sir. Yes, 2.5. Right. Sir.
Okay. And this is
Rest all same, sir.
global.
And region global, correct. Global, correct. Right.
Okay. Then
Yes, right. Right. Yes, now, sir. So system prompt. So system instructions we have to add. You can
Okay.
minimize the model settings, sir. Just you can click on that arrow. Yeah. Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Yes. Right,
okay.
sir. Right. Right.
Ah,
And in system instructions, you can. No, sir. Not there. Not there. Just you copy the system instructions from there. Just expand it. Expand it, sir. Expand it. Just click on that down arrow. Down arrow.
okay.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Ah.
Yes. So this is where, like, it's where it so says that give the model content and all, right. There you have to add the system instructions.
Okay.
From the lab instructions, you can just copy them, sir. For now, default
Where are,
instructions you're going to use.
where are the lab instructions, sir?
Sir, in the lab instructions, in the lab, go to the lab, sir.
Go there.
No, sir, not from there. It will be in your different window, basically. So from where, so from the place where we started the lab.
Oh,
No, sir, not in the Google Cloud console.
hmm.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Let me help you. Let me help. Just a minute. Just a minute, sir. So currently we are in this screen, right, sir? In
This,
this
this,
window, yes. Sorry, sir.
from here I have to copy my lab instruction.
Yes, just a minute, sir. Let me help you, sir. Let me help you. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the screen which we are currently in, and which you're also currently in, sir. So this is like incognito window. We have we had opened the lab, started the lab in skills.google platform from a different window. And to access the Google Cloud Console, we opened the link, opened the Google Cloud Console in the incognito window. So both of these things are in separate window now, sir. So to go back to the lab, we have to change the window, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is where we started the lab, right, sir? Just here. Yes. Is it visible to the screen or is it stuck?
Screen is visible,
right,
sir.
sir?
Yeah. Your screen is visible.
I'm able to scroll on the screen. Just are you able to see that? Just a minute. Let me share the entire screen. Just a minute. So one more time. Now you're all able to see the Google Cloud Console, right, sir? I'm moving to the lab now. Just confirm when you're able to see the lab. Yeah. Now you're able to see the lab, right? Just here, sir. Yes. These are the instructions for the lab. Here you can see, sir, under the fourth item, you can see the system prompts over here. So for us to begin with, they have given a default system prompt. So for now, to understand, we are using the same prompt and moving forward, sir.
I have to copy this prompt and paste over
Yes, sir.
there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay.
So here we are defining the character of the agent, the tone which it has to use in speaking, and what is its goal. These things we are summarizing over here in the system prompt. Yes. And for the next, sir, once you copy paste that, for the main prompt, again we are using the default prompt over here, sir. Just there is a simple copy option available there, sir, to help us for easy copying mechanism. Just click on that copy icon. It will be copied, and we will move towards the lab and paste it over here and then submit. Yes. And then just beside the untitled prompt, you can see the save icon, a folder or a floppy icon, which is the standard icon for save. You can see that icon. Once you click on that icon, a pop-up appears asking you to select the name for the prompt and all that. Just leave everything as it is and click on. Saving action might take 1 or 2 minutes extra than expected. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes extra than expected, but we have to save it. Now I'm shifting back to the lab instructions page to see the next step over here. I hope until now everybody has followed along with me, right? Any questions or any doubts so far? Let me know. I will address them and then move forward. Yes, we have clicked on save button and we have saved the prompt, right? Yes. Hope until now everyone is clear in what to do, right? Any confusions so far? So just few steps and we will be completing the task 1. Yeah. Yes, Jayant sir, let me know, sir.
Sir, I'm not getting the save option.
Not beside preview code. Just a minute, sir. Just a minute. just untitled prompt, and just beside that, if you're able to see, if you're hovering on it and able to see that last saved, then it's already saved.
Can I share my screen with you?
Sure, sir. Sure. Please. Let me stop sharing my screen. Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Viral, ma'am. Yes, sure.
Sir, this is my screen actually.
Okay, just a minute, sir. Okay, understood. Just, sir, you can see the top, the three buttons on the top right corner of your screen, sir. Just beside incognito window. Yes, sir. Just close this tutorial part, sir. It will enhance the view. It will leave tutorial. Leave. Do you want to leave this? Yes. Now you can see, sir. Maybe it's just the screen size and configuration part. Now beside untitled over there, you can see that save option.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ankita, ma'am, you're able to locate the save option now, ma'am. Hope your issue was saved. Okay. Just saving might take few minutes extra, sir. Please bear with it. Yes. No worries, ma'am. Yes, we will. Yes, of course. The lab instructions and all, they will anyhow be on skills.google platform. I'll show you how to access them, see them, and start the lab again. Yeah. Prompt name is optional, ma'am. Optional. You can choose a name to give, or you can leave it as it is also. You can leave it as it is. No option, we are not exploring minimap now, ma'am. So we are just giving the system prompt and the main prompt for now, and we will move toward for deploying the same now, deploying and testing the same. Yes, we are moving towards deploying the same now. Yes. Now all of us are on the same page. We have entered system instructions, we have, given the prompt, and we have submitted the prompt, and we have tested it, and we have saved it, right? Now, just in the same line, where you can see preview, code, and everything, you can see a rocket symbol over here, right? Rocket symbol, right? Yeah, this rocket symbol lets us to deploy this app. Of course, we have just given a simple system instruction and a prompt, and we are deploying it, seeing the entire cycle once, and then in subsequent sessions and when we are moving forward, we will be understanding how changing different parameters, changing the configuration, how it is going to enhance our app. So let's all click on deploy. Yeah, let's all click on deploy. Yeah. Once we click on deploy icon, Cloud Run and deploy as app. Cloud Run, you can see.
We cannot see your screen, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
We cannot see your screen.
Sorry. Hope it's visible now, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Untitled prompt, save option was over here, and preview and code. Okay, just beside that, you can see a deploy option, a rocket symbol. If you hover on that, it says deploy. So just click on that, and you can see here Cloud Run and under that deploy as app, right? Cloud Run, deploy as app, right? Cloud Run, deploy as app. Yeah. Okay, are you all able to click on that? Yes. Now the pop-up, are you all able to see the similar pop-up over here? Create a web app from the current prompt. Right? Are you all able to see this? You're not changing anything over here. You're not changing anything over here. Yeah. I'm just checking on the acknowledgement that I understand this app will be deployed publicly. Okay. And I'm clicking on create app. Yes. All of you are on the same page with me? Yes. Yes. Just click on. Yeah. And let's wait for the deployment to be complete. Creating a new app. It will take a few minutes. Once it's ready, you can see like, open app, right? Let us not do anything now. Okay. Status is still yet to deploy. Just wait for a few minutes over here. Yeah. Any questions so far? I'll be able to help you understand. Just let me know if you have any questions. Yes. Ankita Prajapati, ma'am, yeah, nothing to worry, ma'am. After it saved, right? You just let me know. I will guide you through the further steps. And until deployment, I'm not going any way further. I'm waiting over here. Any issues until now, if you're facing, let me know. I will be able to help. So we just explored a tool and understood, like, what all things we can do with it. Okay. In fact, we might have used the default prompt for now, but we understood how we can configure it. If needed, we can come back and start the lab again until this month, and like until for next 30 days, you'll be having the 35 credits with you. Okay. Accordingly, you can make use of that lab. One more time, you can start the lab, and just change the prompt, change the system prompt, and change the main prompt. Experiment with multiple things. Okay, we will be seeing that in the same lab. In the later part of that, we will be seeing some multiple things as well. Okay, like how to give a zero shot prompt or few shot prompt. All those things we will be exploring. Okay. Yeah. Saving usually takes a little bit of time. Just give it the time it takes. Yes, Ankita Prajapati, ma'am, after you have saved the prompt, okay, just make sure you have entered the main prompt and the system prompts correctly, and model has been set correctly. And then just click on the deploy, ma'am. Deploy. Okay, just click on deploy and select Cloud Run. Okay, deploy as app. Okay, and then we have to wait for until it gets deployed. Now the app is ready, ma'am. This interface I'm closing. This interface, this pop-up I'm closing over here. To open the app, yeah. I hope that the deploy was completed for everyone. Now we are going to the next step and we are opening the app. Okay. Now we are seeing how the app has come up. Okay. So again, click on deploy. And inside Cloud Run, you can see open app option, right? Yes. Once the deployment is complete, we are again coming back to the deployed option over here, the rocket symbol, clicking on that, coming to Cloud Run again, and clicking on open app. Clicking on open app. Clicking on open app. You can see now this app is already deployed for you. You can give it a name, and you can get a code and configure how it looks and everything. Okay. Yes. Now successfully deployed your own chatbot. Yeah. Yes. Everybody on the same page? Yeah. Everybody were able to deploy the app? Yeah. So deployed, yes, correct. Manage web app, we opened the app, we all did this. Okay. Yes. Prototype is displayed over here. Yeah, name we can choose or can change it later as well. Yeah. In the chatbot, let's test it out. Let's test it out. So let us say that the new customer inquiry has come up. We are copying again the default prompt given in the lab. Yeah. And we are giving it as a user prompt over here. New customer inquiry, please summarize. Let us see whether the app functions or no. So it's processing for some time. Okay, processing the information. And you can see such nicely it gave the information. Here is the summary, the key details of potential risk. So what we did now, we build such prototype app. Yes, we built such prototype app with just using simple prompts. Okay, and it's already deployed now, right? You can see the live URL. Of course, since we are using the lab resources, this URL will be only valid until the lab expires. But still, yeah, it's a live app. If you share this link, open in a different window, it will open again, but only during the lab period. Yes. Any confusions so far? Yeah, so after testing it, once you click on check my progress, it says your assessment is complete. Only if you have done all the steps correct until now, then only click on check my progress. It will say, the task, the assessment complete, and it will show tick mark. Let it assess and come back. Can refresh the page once, give the prompt again, and already deployed the app completely. Yeah, everything you have done. Yeah, ensure the steps once again, and just you have to click on check my progress. If it shows the checking status shows error, sometimes it does. Just redeploy the things and close the current thing and redeploy, or manage the app. Click on manage app. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. So now your app over here is ready. So next step, what we will do, I'll guide you to do these things. After the workshop, we can do this. So when we are meeting again in the afternoon, okay, we will explore these things. And there is one more thing which I will, take you through. Okay, yeah. So we will be exploring later a few short prompting, giving some examples and inputs and outputs. Okay, how it changes the context, and how then further if we deploy, how the things will work, and how we can manage prompts. Yeah, all these things we will be exploring in the afternoon session. And also one more thing we will be exploring, which would be like AI Studio, Google AI Studio. We'll be exploring the same as well. Okay. Yes. So some of them will be demo based, and some of them will be hands-on and code along. We will explore that in afternoon session. Okay. Yes. Hope you got gist of this. Okay. I think the timer of the lab might be might have come to an end now. Yeah. So anyhow, since we were doing it for the first time, we were learning. We went slow and tried to understand multiple things over here, right? Yeah. So similarly, yeah. After this workshop, and so during the afternoon session again, we will be exploring this part towards until the end. Okay, and answering your questions and all that. Okay, and one more tool we have to explore, that also we will be exploring. Okay, so until then, I just take a leave now and hand it over to Pragati to continue the further sessions. Okay, please save your questions along with you. When we meet again in the afternoon, I will address those things. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for actively participating. Really love your enthusiasm. Thank you so much. Thank you. Over to you, brother.
Yes.